Hi, grade 3. How are you all? Welcome back to your Elga class. Okay, children, I hope you all safe and happy at home. So, previous class we learned about what? Some blends. If blend and DR blend, right? Okay, children. So now, today we are going to learn the same, not blends, but say about the country Sri Lanka. Okay, about the country Sri Lanka. So past 2 weeks we were coming through Sri Lanka only, right? Yeah. So today also we are going to learn some brief about country Sri Lanka. Okay, children? Yeah. My dear children, all of you take page number 43. 43. Holiday in Sri Lanka. Now you all have holidays, right? Yeah. So you are going to your granny's home, your uncle, aunt's home, your relatives' home, right? Yeah. Like the same. Some people they used to go to some other states, some other country, some other district. Yeah. Okay. Here, these two children, these two kids, your friends, Tia and Priya. They are your friends, right? Yeah. They are going to Sri Lanka. Shall we learn about Sri Lanka? They will teach you more about Sri Lanka. Okay. Yeah. So holidays in Sri Lanka. See, Tia, this is Tia and this is Priya. They decided to go to Colombo. Okay, Colombo. What is Colombo? Colombo? Do you know Colombo? It is the capital of Sri Lanka. Okay, capital of Sri Lanka. So, Tia, this is Tia and this is Priya. Okay, Tia and Priya decided to go to Colombo. Look at this rock. Its name is Lion Rock. Okay, see it is given here. Lion Rock is a giant animal carved from stone. It's a giant animal carved from stone. It's a this will show you that this rock is just like an animal. Okay, they were carved it like that. Yeah, it was created to greet the visitors at the entrance. So it was created. Why this rock, Lion Rock, was created to greet the visitors at the entrance. Okay, when you go at the front, it will just like greeting you. People from different parts of the world travel to see this rock. So people from different parts of the world, other country, other state, they will come to see this Lion Rock because it's very beautiful to see, and also it's just like a animal carved in this stone. Okay, children, do you understand? This is Lion Rock. People from various places come to see this rock. Okay, so Lion Rock. So this is Tia and this is Priya. They decided to go to Colombo. See, this is Colombo. Colombo is one of the capitals of Sri Lanka. So in this we can know that not only Colombo, other capital is also there. One of the capitals. One of the capitals means what? What is one of the capitals? Lot of capitals are there. In that one is Colombo. Lot of capitals are there. In that one is Colombo. Okay. So Colombo is one of the capitals of Sri Lanka. Come to next page. They reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. They say Kohomata. Okay. They reach. Who reached? Tia and Priya. Tia and Priya, they reached where? Which place? They reached Sri Lanka and people welcomed them by saying Kohomata. Okay, Kohomata. Tia and Priya are excited to go to the beach. So Sri Lanka, you all know 4 sides covered it with what? 4 sides covered with? Very good. Water. Okay, so Tia and Priya are excited to go to beach. They were very excited, very happy to go to beach. Okay, you also excited to go to beach. Yeah. Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. Many beautiful beaches. How we can know that Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches? Because its four sides fully covered with what? Water. Okay. So Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. They set up their chairs and towels. See, chairs. They set up their chairs and look at this. Towels. Towel. Why? Why? Because beach they will play on water and they will get wet. Yeah. So that they keep towel with them. Okay. They set up their chairs and towels. They are ready to go into the water. They are ready to play in the water. Okay. They are ready to get into the water. Get into the water means to play in the water. Just then they see strong waves coming. See, look at this picture. A strong wave. Just then when they started to go into the water, they saw that a strong wave is coming. Wave, this is wave. So a strong wave is coming. And what happened? Priya looks at the sky and she sees big grey clouds. What do you think will happen next? See, Priya looks at the sky. Priya looks at the sky. It is getting dark. Okay. She sees big grey clouds. Grey clouds means the clouds is getting dark. Okay. What do you think will happen next? What do you think will happen next? When the clouds will get dark? When the clouds will get dark, children? Yeah, very good. Before it gets rain, the clouds will get dark. Very good. So next what will happen? So Priya, she predicted that now it's getting dark. Clouds and sky, it is getting dark. So immediately rain will come. Okay. Yeah. Then what happened next? What happened next? That's all. See? That's all. What will happen next? Yeah, the rain will come. That's all. Okay, children? So, do you understand this? So, we are learning about Sri Lanka. Holidays in Sri Lanka. Two characters we learned. Who were they? Tia and Priya. They decided to go to Colombo. What is Colombo? Colombo? This is Colombo. Colombo is one of the capitals of Sri Lanka. Capital. Okay, Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Then we learned about a rock. What rock is that? What rock is that? Yeah, very good. It is Lion Rock. Why it get its name? Why it get its name as Lion Rock? Yeah, Lion Rock is a giant animal carved from stone. Okay, its shape is just like animal. Someone carved from stone. It was created to greet the visitors at the entrance. Okay, why it is created? It is created to greet the visitors. Okay, greet the visitors at the entrance. People from different parts of the world travel to see this rock. So many people from various places come to visit this rock. Why? Because it looks beautiful and it was different. Yes or no? It's different. It's just like animal. Someone carved like animal. So everyone likes to visit that place. Okay. So Colombo, it is one of the capitals of Sri Lanka. And when Tia and Priya reached Sri Lanka, people visited them by saying some words. What is that? Koho Mata. Okay. Then Tia and Priya are excited to go to the beach. They like to play in water. Okay, play in water. They are very excited to go to the beach. You all know that Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. Is that no? Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. They set up their chairs and towels and they get ready to play in water. Okay, immediately what happened? Just then they see strong waves are coming from the sea. Okay, then what happened? Priya looks at the sky. She just looks at the sky and she saw that big grey clouds. Okay, so big grey clouds are there on the sky. Then what will happen? Next, what will happen? When the sky will get dark, when the sky will change its color into grey? Yes, just before the rain comes, the sky changes its color into dark. Very good. Yeah, that's what today's topic. Okay, children? So listen, vocabulary words are given. First word is welcome. Welcome. See, this is the host and she welcomed them by saying, welcomed who? Welcomed Priya and Chia by saying Koho Mada. Okay, Koho Mada. So welcome. What is the spelling of welcome? WELCOME. 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 Next word is beach. Can you say a sentence with beach which you learned now? Yeah, Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. Okay, beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Then excited. Ria and Chia are excited to get into the water. Very good. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. Next is towel. Towel. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. They set up chair and towel. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. Next, grey clouds. Grey clouds. G-R-E-Y. Grey. G-R-E-Y. Grey. G-R-E-Y. Grey. G-R-E-Y. Grey. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. That's all about your vocabulary words. 6 words are given in your book. Okay. Dear children, please take your workbook. Please take your workbook and take page number 33. Okay, page number 33. 2 or 3 pages we completed in our previous class. Today some pages we can complete. Okay, take page number 33 on your workbook. Page number 33. Children, please pause the video and then write the answer. Okay, children? Then it will be easy for you. Making predictions. Check the sentence that tell us what will happen next in the picture. Some pictures are given and some sentences are given. So you should predict what will happen next. They will cook or they will sing. Look at this picture carefully and say what they are going to do. They are going to cook or they will sing. Yeah, see? So they will cook. Next. He will eat the banana or someone will fall. He will eat the banana or someone will fall. What will happen next? See children, in this picture, he already ate banana and he was throwing the peel on the ground. So after this what will happen? Someone will slip on that peel and they will fall. Yes or no? So someone will fall. Next, it will rain soon or sun will shine in the sky. It will rain soon or the sun will shine in the sky. What will happen next? See, clouds are getting dark and lightning is there. So, before rain, thunder and lightning will come. So, it will rain soon. Next, the boy will go and sleep, or the boy will jump for joy. What will happen next? See, he won the prize. So, after that, what will happen? If you won the prize, next what you will do? Yeah, you will feel very happy and joy, right? So, the boy will jump for joy. Okay. Next, subject and verb. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Ball, drinks, umbrella, eat. Ball, drinks, umbrella, eat. I carry and dash when it is raining. When it is raining, what you will do? When it is raining, what you will take? Yes, very good. You will take umbrella, right? So, first answer is I carry an umbrella when it is raining. Next, Rohan likes to play with the dash. What is this? Yes, very good. Next is ball. So the answer is Rohan likes to play with the ball. Next, Ritu dash coconut water every day. Next, rest is drinks and eat. What will come? Ritu eat coconut water every day, yeah? Or Ritu drinks coconut water every day, yeah? We can't eat water, right? We drink water. So what will come next? What is the answer? Ritu drinks coconut water every day. Next, I love to dash plum cake. I love to eat plum cake. Very good. So children, please complete this fast. Complete this fast. Next, come to page number 35. Page number 35. Which word from the story means the same as to travel? To travel. Which word from the story? See, this is Anuj travels to Asia. Anuj travels to Asia. Which word from the story means the same as to travel? What is the meaning? From this, you should find the meaning, similar meaning to travel. Momo, eat or drink. Sorry, Momo, eat or drive. Drive. To travel, drive. Which word from the story means the same as trekking? Trekking means Sri Lanka, climbing or welcome. Similar meaning. Trekking means climbing. Very good. Climbing. Next, tick the sentence that tell us what will happen next in this picture. Okay, prediction. Next in the picture. See, the bird will sing or the bird will fly. What is going to happen next? The bird will fly or the bird will sing? The bird will sing. Very good. Next, the children will run or the children will eat. Look at this picture carefully. Yeah, see, water is there. The spoon is there on their hand. So the children will run or the children will eat? The children will eat next. Very good. Next, the baby will laugh or the baby will cry. What is going to happen next? The baby will laugh or the baby will cry. Look at this emoji. It feels so sad. So the baby will cry. The boy will play with friends or the boy will eat with friends. What is there in his hand? What is there in his hand? What is this? Ball. So the boy will play with friends or the boy will eat with friends? The boy will play with friends. Okay, children. So if you not completed, please pause the video and then write. Next, capitalization. Capitalization. Tick the sentence that use capital letter and full stop correctly. You should tick the sentence with correct capital letter and correct full stop. Okay. An ant is a small animal. Correct or not? Yeah. First letter starts with capital and full stop is there. So it is right. Then next, everyone is going for a picnic. Everyone is going for a picnic. Is it correct? No, because first letter is small letter, so it is wrong. She is not going to school. Is it correct or not? First letter starts with capital. But there is no full stop, so it is wrong. Next, the man lives near my house. The man lives near my house. Correct or not? First letter starts with small letter, so it is wrong. An elephant eats grass. An elephant eats grass. Is it correct? A starts with capital letter and full stop is there, so it is correct. Okay, children? Okay, children, next, drawing conclusion. Look at each picture and take the correct conclusion. Okay, take the correct conclusion. They are drinking water, they are eating food. Are they drinking or are they eating food? Chopstick is there. We can't drink water with chopstick, right? We can eat. So they are eating food. Next, they are driving or they are trucking? Are they driving or are they trucking? They don't have vehicle. So they are trucking. Okay, children. So, next. Capitalization, same thing. Rewrite the sentence using capital letter and full stop. You should rewrite it. Okay. It is raining outside. How we can write it? It is raining outside. So, I already said that always the sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Yes or no? So, do it. Do it, children. Sentence starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Do it fast. See, this is the answer. Starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay, children? That's all about today's topic. Learn it well and see you in next class. Bye.